Gray Lake 007 with you.
Roll 007, Great Lakes approach, launch altimeter 3006. Say approach request to Lansing.
Visual 27. See landing for Aero 007.
Aero 007, roger. Expect visual approach runway 28 left.
Visual for Lansing, Aero 007.
Aero 007, just want to verify. Detroit said that you lost both your engines.
Affirmative.
Aero 007, roger. You can descend at pass crushing, maintain 3000. And just advise me the airport inside here at your 12 o'clock 15 miles.
I don't think we're going to make Lansing for Aero 007.
Aero 007, sorry, say again.
We're not going to make Lansing for Aero 007.
Aero 007, roger. Mason reports that you're 9 o'clock, 8 miles. Turn left heading 240. That'll put you on the heading there.
240 007.
On the Charlie, hold short at 28 left.
Degree proceed as requested. Cross runway straight right. Hold short runway straight left.
Cross runway 28 right, hold short at 28 left on Charlie. Just keep it.
118.65, 5215 for 17 Delta, ready taxi.
And Archer 17 Delta, we do actually have an emergency inbound, so I'm going to have to hold your position at this point.
Mason, the runway's 4,200 feet long, 75 feet wide.
Roger, we got the airport inside.
Aero 007, clear visual approach to Mason, Jewett, runway at your discretion.
Visual to Mason, our runway at your discretion, Aero 007.